guys, my name is Sandy. How are you today? I am good. I am great. I'm fine. I'm okay. I am happy. And now listen. Listen. Ga ga ga. Ga ga ga. What do you hear? What do you hear? Ga ga ga. Say, I hear a goose. I hear a goose. Listen. Listen. What do you hear? I hear a cat. Repeat after me. I hear a cat. Listen. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What do you hear? What do you hear? Say, I hear a rooster. I hear a rooster. Well done. And now listen. What do you hear? What do you hear? Say, I hear a dog. I hear a dog. Okay, now close your ears. Open. What do you hear? Say, I hear a cow. I hear a cow. Listen. Quack, quack, quack. What do you hear? Quack, quack, quack. I hear a duck. I hear a duck. Now listen. Listen. What do you hear? What do you hear? I hear a chicken. I hear a chicken. Okay. Listen. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. What do you hear? Oink, oink. I hear a pig. I hear a pig. Listen. Neigh, neigh. What do you hear? Neigh, neigh. I hear a horse. I hear a horse. And now, guys, listen. Me. What do you hear? Me. I hear a goat. I hear a goat. Okay. Now, tell me please. Ba. What do you hear? Ba. I hear a sheep. I hear a sheep. Okay, guys, now let's play a game. Let's play a game. Do you remember? What does a sheep say? What does a sheep say? Sheep goes moo. No, no, no. Meow. No, no, no. Ba. Yes. 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 Okay. Tell me please, what does a goat say? Maybe oink? Say no, no, no. Maybe what? No, no, no. Me? Yes. 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 What does a horse say? Maybe ga ga ga? No. Maybe ba? No, no, no. Maybe neigh, neigh. Yes. Yes. Horse says neigh. Pig. What does a pig say? Moo? No, no, no. Ba? No, no, no. Oink, oink. Yes. 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 Okay. What does a chicken say? Chicken say maybe cock-a-doodle-doo? No. Maybe squeak, squeak? No. Maybe co-co-co? Yes. 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 Okay. What does a dog say? What does a dog say? Maybe ribbit, ribbit? No. Maybe roar? No. Quack, quack? Yes. Dog says quack, quack. Okay. Now what about cow? What does a cow say? Repeat after me. What does a cow say? Maybe cra, cra? No. Squeak, squeak? No, no, no. Moo. Yes. Moo. Cow says moo. Well done, guys. Now tell me, please, what does a dog say? What does a dog say? Meow? No. Neigh? No. What? Yes, dog says bow bow. Good job, guys. And last one is Mr. Rooster. What does a rooster say? You can answer that I help. Maybe it's what? No. Maybe it's oink oink? No. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Repeat after me. All together. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good job. Very nice, guys. Okay. Okay, now show me your hands. And let's roll. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Fast, 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 fast. Who is faster? Slow, slow, slow. Okay, guys. Now show me big, 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 big. Small, small. I have a bowl. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Well done. Okay, I want to show you a rope. My rope is long, 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 long. And white rope is short, short. Orange rope is long, 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 long. And white rope is short, short. My hair is long, 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 long. Show me your hair. Is your hair long, girls? Long, 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 long. And look, I want to introduce you Zark. Look, Zark's hair is short, very short. Sandy's hair is long, 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 long. Okay, nice. And now show me your hands. Let's make open, shut, open, shut. Now close your eyes. Open, peekaboo, close. Open, peekaboo. Here I got a book. And I open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. Okay, I can take a box. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. I can take my pink laptop. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. Okay, next one. I want to show you happy face. I'm happy. Everyone, show me a happy face. Happy. I'm sad. Let's cry together. I'm sad. Happy. Happy. I'm sad. Very sad. I am happy. Happy. Good job, guys. I want to show you 2 cups. Listen. There is some water, and this cup is empty. Purple cup is empty. Now I put water. Yellow cup is empty. Purple cup is full, full, full. Full, full, full. Empty. There is nothing inside. Let's change. Purple cup is empty. full, full, full. Also, I got basket. This basket is full, full, full. This basket is empty. Blue basket is empty. Let's remove. Empty, empty basket. And blue basket is full. Empty. It's empty. Say bye-bye, empty basket. Bye-bye, full basket.